You are watching Travel World.
Good morning. You're watching Travel World Online and I'm Anika. Here are today's top travel, tourism and hospitality headlines. Adani Airport Holdings and IHG Hotels and Resorts partner to develop 5 hotels across India, including the debut of the luxury Kimpton brand. ITC Hotels acquires Kerala's iconic Zuri Kumarakom Resort in a Rs 205 crore deal to strengthen its luxury leisure portfolio. Sayaji Hotels enters India's hill destination segment with the launch of F Hotel by Sayaji in Gangtok. And Thailand launches a 5-year Destination Thailand visa targeting digital nomads, wellness travelers and long-stay international visitors. Now, the news in detail. In a major development for India's airport-led hospitality sector, Adani Airport Holdings Limited and IHG Hotels and Resorts have signed an agreement to develop 5 hotels across key airport-linked and high-growth destinations in India. The partnership will add nearly 1,500 keys across multiple hospitality brands and locations, further strengthening IHG's expansion strategy in the country while supporting Adani Group's broader airport city development vision. The portfolio includes the debut of the luxury Kimpton Hotels and Restaurants brand in India with the property in Jaipur. Additional Holiday Inn and Holiday Inn Express hotels are planned across Navi Mumbai, Mangaluru, and Thiruvananthapuram. According to the companies, these projects are aimed at creating mixed-use urban destinations that combine hospitality, commercial infrastructure, and enhanced passenger experiences around India's growing aviation ecosystem. Meanwhile, ITC Hotels has announced the acquisition of the Zuri Kumarakom Kerala Resort and Spa in a deal valued at 205 crore rupees. The company will acquire a 100% stake in the owning entity of the luxury backwater resort, marking ITC Hotels' first owned resort property in Kerala. Spread across 18 acres along the banks of the Vembanad Lake, the 72-key property features villas, cottages, wellness facilities and waterfront views that have made Kumarakom a leading luxury leisure destination. Following renovation and repositioning, the resort will be rebranded under the ITC Hotels luxury portfolio and is expected to strengthen the company's presence in India's growing wellness and experiential tourism market. In hospitality expansion news, Sayaji Hotels has entered India's hill destination segment with the launch of F Hotel by Sayaji in Gangtok, Sikkim. The 32-room property offers Deluxe King, Deluxe Twin, and Suite categories and has been positioned to cater to the growing demand from leisure and experiential travelers visiting Northeast India. The company says the launch forms part of its broader strategy to expand into high-potential leisure destinations across the country as domestic tourism continues to witness strong growth. Moving to international developments, Thailand has introduced the Destination Thailand Visa or DTV, a new 5-year multiple entry visa program aimed at attracting long-stay international travelers. The visa targets digital nomads, freelancers, remote workers, wellness travelers, and cultural tourists seeking extended stays in Thailand beyond traditional holiday durations. Under the program, travelers can stay for up to 180 days per entry, with the option to extend their stay up to 360 days. The visa also allows unlimited re-entries during its 5-year validity period. Applicants are required to demonstrate financial stability, including proof of approximately 500,000 Thai baht in liquid funds, along with health insurance and supporting travel documentation. Industry observers believe the move could further strengthen tourism and economic ties between India and Thailand, while boosting long-stay travel and remote work tourism in the region. And finally, in the world of ultra-luxury travel, Regent Seven Seas Cruises has partnered with Italian sleep specialist Flu to introduce customized wellness-focused sleep experiences. Launching in December 2026, the luxury cruise vessel will feature specially designed sleep systems and handcrafted interiors within its premium suites. The development highlights how high-end travel brands are increasingly integrating wellness, comfort, and experiential luxury into next generation hospitality offerings. And those were today's top travel, tourism, and hospitality updates. For more industry news and exclusive coverage, stay connected with Travel World Online. I'm Anika. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.